iPhone 11 to iPhone 13. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. Yes, I got iPhone 13 on this Christmas, so thought to unbox with you guys. So let's get started. Considering the environment friendly, now Apple removed the plastic wrap and we have just got to pull tab to unbox it. But I already done a partial unboxing at the store, so the pull tabs are missing now, this one and this one. So I'm just giving an overview. Let's see what is inside this box now. Our main unit, iPhone 13. We will get back to this later on. Some documents. Hey, sticker is white, huh? Considering new MacBook series 14 and 16, we have black stickers, but in iPhone we have white one. And some SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Okay. And yes, we have lightning cable, and we don't have the charger. You know, guys. So we need to purchase it separate. So we have camera setup on a diagonal one, and along with that we have new cinematic mode being added with iPhone 13. We have power button, volume plus minus, and the silent one, in order to do it a silent one. Okay, normal, we have this port, lightning port, two grills, one is speaker, other is not. And yes, time to peel it first, then feel the same. Wow. Considering the front change, we can see the notch is now smaller compared to 11 or 12, and the speaker grill is being moved to upwards to the edge. Actually, you can see this. Yeah. Overall, the feel is good. Let me boot it up, and then I will set it up using my old iPhone only. We'll get back to you. I'm back. Setup is done. The process of backing up your old iPhone to new was super smooth, including your apps and everything. It also log in your app, so that is great actually. Last unboxing for the day, this 20-watt iPhone charger. As you know, I already told you, there was no charger with this phone. I need to purchase a new one. So many papers. Yeah. These are documents. (20-watt fast charger). You can charge your iPhone fast using this, your Apple Watch also. So that's why I bought this. That's all for today. Hope you like this video, and for more videos stay tuned to my channel, and till then like, share, subscribe to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. Bye bye.